If you are watching this particular video right now, you must have heard the saying that what you sow is what you reap. This particular mining app, which is the Delta app, is an example of what you sow, you will reap. In my last video on this particular app, I share with you on how you'll be able to make USCT. Now, I'm happy to tell you that I'm share with you in this particular video how you'll be able to withdraw your USCT to your USDT and withdraw to any wallet of your choice. That is not this particular token that we are actually mining now. We are talking about USCT, which I'll be sharing with you in this particular video. There are a lot of things that I need to share with you in this particular video about this particular mining, Delta mining app. But let me just focus in this particular one on how to withdraw your USDT. Mind if you haven't started, I tell you it's not too late to start, and this is just the best time to start because this particular token, mining token, is going to do very, very well. It is a blockchain token, and don't joke with any blockchain token that I've been sharing with you. So I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video. But before I share with you on how you'll be able to withdraw your USDT, one thing that I would like to share with you is that you need to update your app. Yes, if you are using the previous version, you won't be able to do what I'm about to share with you. So you need to update it. And before you update it, one important thing you need to do, because your failure in doing this particular thing will cost you your mining app. You know, I talked about the security in the last place, which is this particular one. You could see that last time it was showing is 0, but now I have my security to 40%, which is not up to 50%. You need to add people manually that anytime you logged out, they'll be able to send a kind of verification for code to that be able to log in your app. These particular people, you see, I'm the one that actually gave them this particular name. One of them was the person that actually, that when I updated the app, I was logged out. Then when I wanted to log in, one of the two-factor authentication was that they sent the code to one of them. And I was able to chat with the person, and the person was able to send me the code, and I was able to get my account back. So if you have not done your security check, I tell you update this app, nobody will be there to do the two-factor authentication for you. So you just have to add them manually before you go ahead on withdrawing USDT. So you need to come to this particular section here. You tap on it. You could see that I have pending. I have pending now. I have 415 pending. My balance is 0.03 USCT, and I have earned 0.04, which is the USDT. So if you want to do that, what you have to do, mind you need to come over here and watch us every 8 hours. Now I have 7 hours and some minutes left. Then you have to watch. I've always given 4 hours. And one of the major reason I say is what you sow is what you reap is that when after I've actually done this particular project, and this one I've made about 1,000 plus, so I stopped of watching that, and immediately I saw that they have now started paying, and I tried to withdraw all the 1,000 plus. So look at what it gave me. It was 0 point, very funny, it was 0.04, which made me to say it what you sow is what you did. I remember I've actually taken it serious. I would have gotten over 10,000, which might have been a very good amount of money for me to withdraw. So if you have a larger one, I'll share with you on how you'll be able to withdraw it. And the minimum USDT you can withdraw is $1. So just if you have some of these ones showing pending, what you have to do is that you come to the particular section here called settlement. You tap on settlement, you will see particular three this thing. You see my settlement has been paid. That is how you can see it's checked that it is green now. So if you haven't done your own settlement, you see that it is red. So what you just need to just do is that at this particular green section here, you just tap on it. So you see mom brought out information. Just won't bring information. Really, you just tap on it, it will just turn to this particular green, and that is all what you just need to know. And after you come back from this place, you see that the particular one that you have here that was pending is left for you to be paid. You see that it must have come to this particular place to USDT your end balance. So this is my end balance now. It is above one, which is $1, is when I will actually be able to withdraw. So for any one of you that have actually done it and you have more than $1, this is how you to do it now if you want to withdraw. So you come to this particular section called the withdrawal. You tap on your withdrawal. You could see now that here now I was told that I have 0.037 USDT, and you can see here it says USDT, which is the major one. So what I will just have to do is here is that I will have to put the amount. Let me say where you see that is 0.04. Let's say I have 10. I will just tap on 10 here. Then after I've done that, I'll tap on this particular submit. After I submitted, it will withdraw. I told you that this platform one is a blockchain token. Then I will have to come to my wallet section here, because in here we have already built in wallet for everybody. So here now, what I tapped brought me here is that tap on this menu, then you tap on wallet here, you tap on wallet here. So immediately I withdraw. After I tap that one, it will that USDT that I withdraw, it will come to this particular place here. Let me say I want to transfer now. I'll tap on this. But mind you that before you transfer, you have to have what we call gas fees. This USDT is built on a lot of blockchain, BNB smart chain to withdraw the USDT, or you can use Ethereum. But one thing I would suggest is that you just use the one of BNB, just deposit BNB of little amount. Let me say like $2 or $3, that you will just have it here. So when you have your USDT here, let's say $1 or anything. So once you're in your wallet section here, what you do is that you will tap on this particular box here, you check it, so you allow it. So now you could see you will now tap on this arrow here on your USDT. That is for you that want to transfer. You see, you will now tap on this one that says transfer. You tap on it. So this is where you put the address now. You see, you put it here. You see I've changed it to wallet address. So let's say you have copied your wallet address from Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, MexExchange, or Get.io. You paste it here. Then you put the amount here you want to send. So this memo is actually optional. Then you tap on this transfer. So once I have USDT that is up to maybe $2, I'll be doing the practical example for it for everyone, so that I'll be able to. So you can see it's transaction fee is 0.0110. So, and if you want to deposit your BNB smart chain for gas fees, what you just need to do is that you still have to tap here. You tap here. So what you do now, you are not transferring, you want to deposit. So you tap on this deposit just to put a little amount there. So you'll be given a temporary address where you be able to send the particular token. You see, they say the receiving address is valid for a long time and will be automatically credited in real time. So you just copy this address, you send it to any exchange of your choice, deposit the amount of BNB, maybe $1 or $2 maximum. You send it here, and after that, you will see it will reflect in your. This is how you actually be able to transfer your USD. If this video is helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you get notified anytime we upload. Then join my community section of this particular video. You will see my community WhatsApp link there, so that you'll be able to join. Thank you and bye bye for now.